Welcome to Avsar, your ultimate cashback companion. Today, we are excited to introduce you to an amazing offer. Axis Mutual Funds. Axis Mutual Fund, sponsored by Axis Bank, is one of India's largest mutual funds, providing a wide range of investment opportunities designed to help you achieve high returns. Now, let's dive into the details of the Axis Mutual Funds offer and the rewards you can earn. When you invest in Axis Mutual Funds through Avsar, you'll need to complete the KYC verification process. Once you've done this, you're eligible to start earning rewards. Please note, the reward amount can change, so open the app and check the current reward for today. One of the great things about Axis Mutual Funds is the extensive list of benefits they offer. You'll enjoy features such as convenience, flexibility of investment, and liquidity. Additionally, you'll receive income tax benefits, minimal charges, and the assurance that your investments are regulated by SEBI and managed by professionals. This makes Axis Mutual Funds an excellent option for portfolio diversification and achieving your financial goals. Before you apply, it's important to be aware of the fees and charges. Fortunately, there are no account opening charges with Axis, making it even more appealing. To get started with Axis Mutual Funds, you'll need to have a few documents ready. These include your PAN PEKRN for the first applicant, the guardian's name if the applicant is a minor, POI contact person details for non-individuals, and the necessary KYC documents. Let's take a moment to learn more about Axis Mutual Funds. Axis Mutual Fund, with Axis Bank as its sponsor, is managed by Axis Asset Management Company. Backed by principal shareholders Axis Bank and Schroders, Axis AMC has investment capabilities covering equity, fixed income, real estate, and multi-asset solutions. Axis AMC also provides alternative investment management services through AIFs, PMS, and advisory services to offshore funds and investors. This offer is ideal for individuals aged 25 and above with an income of 5 lakhs and above. There are a few terms and conditions you should be aware of. This offer is available only for new users. Users must click on your tracking link to apply. The user must complete KYC on the website for the investment. Now, let's walk through the steps to avail the Axis Mutual Funds offer on the Avsar app. First, open the Avsar app on your device. Next, go to the search bar at the top and type Axis Mutual Funds. Tap on the Axis Mutual Funds offer to open it. Then, click on the Share button. You'll see two options: Image plus text or text only. Choose the option you prefer. After selecting your preferred option, click Share. You can now share the offer link on all social media apps and other sharing apps available on your device with interested users. Once you've shared the link with interested users, they'll need to click on it, fill in their details, and complete the KYC verification process. You will be paid when your customer has filled in valid details and made a successful investment. Now, go back to the Avsar app. Check the My Activity section to find your shares, clicks, and transactions. You can also check your Avsar points and balance once you have completed the registration process. Experience the future of cashback and rewards with Avsar. Download now and start earning with the Axis Mutual Funds offer.